Hi, my name's Tim Reha here live in studio at Colorado Outdoors Complex here in Montrose, Colorado. We have David Dragoo, president of Colorado Outdoors. How are you doing?
Good. I appreciate you having me here, Tim. We've had a great day. The groundbreaking for the Colorado Yurt Company.
Yeah.
And it's a big community. That a lot of families are here, a lot of community leaders, and it's been wonderful to celebrate some positiveness in the last year in the world. And today was one of those days for sure.
You might all know me from my work with Venture All-Stars and startups and economic development areas. And really, Montrose has something special going on here. I could feel the energy and just the grassroots friendliness of everybody here is great.
Yeah, Montrose is like a team that you don't know you're on.
Yeah, that's interesting.
You come to events like this and people show up and they stay and they have fun and they engage, and it's why it's a great community to have a family. To raise a family, to run a business.
Yeah, cool. So right behind us is your production complex, which is brand new, which is part of the Colorado Outdoors. What do you guys do within your company? And then we got Airflow here, and then we'll go into Colorado Outdoors, and then Colorado Yurts and the rest of the companies.
Sure, yeah, so we've got two companies here. One's the development company, Colorado Outdoors, and that is the name of the project. It's about a 160-acre mixed-use project. And then within the park, Mayfly is our fishing brand company, and we make Airflow fly lines.
Yep.
Ross reels and Able reels. But pretty much after work, our guys and gals are in their waders on the river every day. It's awesome. I mean, that's why we're in the market and the environment that we test this stuff.
Yeah, totally. That's the beauty of it. And then what I've kind of gleaned off with the Colorado Yurt Company and what Colorado Outdoors is bringing is really an experiential fabric and landscape here where you can go in and try a yurt out, as well as a really great kind of live, work, play epicenter.
Exactly. Yeah, we call it destination manufacturing. You can come, take a factory tour, meet the people that make your product, test it out, and walk out the door with it. And you really have a connection to the brands, more so than a transaction buying it online. And it becomes a little bit more of an experience versus just having stuff.
Yeah, and there's blue ribbon fishing are like, some of the best in the world just right here on the Gunnison.
That's right.
To half a block from here. Right?
Yeah, I mean, geez, within a 45-minute drive, we got some world-class outdoor activities: mountain biking, fishing, hunting, kayaking. We even have a surf area in our town.
Yeah.
It's one of the best in the state, not the country. And it really is a base camp for all this fun stuff that we do.
Yeah. So tell us, what's the grand vision, and where are we at within the phases of ramping up?
Yeah, so we're in about year 2 of 25. It's a really long-term project, and what we've got going for us, right now is that we've got a lot of growth in the outdoor industry.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of people wanting to move to smaller mountain towns.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is still one of the few places in Colorado that is still affordable.
Now, I know we're trying. It's kind of you want the right people and the right scale growth is what we're learning. What's happening here, and it's a whole community effort from the local universities all the way to what you guys are doing here to recruit the right types of companies.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, it's a really holistic approach when we recruit. You have to get the right person who wants to live in a place like this, and typically they stay because they can buy a home and they can raise a family here.
No, exactly. And I came from the Seattle area, and you can't even get a house for less than $1 million. It seems like anywhere, and the traffic's insane. And here I can go fishing, surfing within 6 minutes of my house, and there's a nice brewery right next to me.
Yeah, we always joke that we have traffic, which means it takes you 12 minutes to get through town instead of 10 minutes, right? So.
Yeah. So tell us about the whole Colorado Outdoors complex here, and what types of opportunities you have for everything from an emerging growth company to maybe a division of a larger outdoors company that wants to scale.
Yeah, great question. So it's 160 acres, and it's huge. So you've got a mixed use, which means you've got small businesses from 2,000 square feet that are mom and pop, and they're making surfboards, but they don't need a lot of room.
Yeah.
We've got a product for you. But if you've got a bigger company, you need the new headquarters. We've got land that you can buy and build, and we'll help you grow.
Yeah, what's cool is there's economic incentives within the organization, within the city of Montrose. Although we had the economic development EDC person from Colorado here.
Yeah, so one of the unique things about Montrose is that it's about a 25,000 or so person city.
Gotcha.
But we service about 100,000 people, and we collect sales tax from people that come here, and
It's
then
the
they go
shopping
play.
corridor for the mountain towns.
Exactly, and so that allows the city to really reinvest in the community, and that math works out when you only have to pay for 25,000 people, but you collect taxes from about 100.
Cool.
They can do some economic incentives if you want a business and you're growing it. They can help pay for some of that growth.